Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This tutorial will be explaining how to copy Solana address from your Phantom wallet. So if you want to do that, you head straight to your Phantom mobile app. So while waiting for the app to load, remember to subscribe. Don't forget to like and share if this tutorial is helpful to you. So now so once the app is fully open this way, you click on Solana, you proceed and you click on receive, and then you either copy or you share the address. So right, if you copy, as you can see, it has been copied to clipboard. So this is how to copy your Solana wallet in your Phantom. Remember to subscribe. Do not forget to like and share.